Transportation is really important when you think about sustainability, because thinking about how we make those movements, thinking about the future of shipping, these really big patterns and sort of geopolitics of how things will change could have really big implications for what the future looks like. The Masters of Sustainable Transportation program is really designed around helping people get into transportation, get into sustainability. So it's good for people who are already in the career, but it's also great for people who are looking to make a change.
I noticed that there were a lot of things to fix in the community, and I realized that it's hard to make changes from the ground. And so I decided to go back to school and earn a master's degree and start higher up in a position where I could make changes.
I had started bicycling to work, and I did that every day. I was contributing to a system, but I wanted to make a difference. I wanted to find ways to help people make better choices.
Each class and each section or each topic really looked at evaluating the impact of different transportation systems or transportation choices. And when you look at the impact, then you look at what is the best option for it to be more sustainable.
The online aspect is really a benefit to the program. It really feels more like an online classroom because we have set meeting times, so that at the same time every week it's more like a webinar. We have webcams, we have headsets, we can talk and hear each other, and so it's a much more interactive experience.
It was really interesting because we had these live class discussions, and we had students that work for cities, counties, transit companies at different levels. That was really interesting because the transportation challenges, they differ based on where you are, and so the solutions really have to be adaptive.
This program can help people get much more comfortable with taking ideas, developing something, presenting it, and being comfortable with saying, oh yeah, I can do this, I've got this. And so it sort of gives people that voice to focus on what's important for them and then advocate for it.
Part of my nature is I want to educate people as much as possible, and I want to bring those ideas forward. If I gain new insight, I want to share it with others. Coming here to Olympia, now I'm in all these conversations.
What I've learned in school has allowed me to put myself forward to represent the city in regional committees. When I started the program, I thought I would just make maybe a difference in a city level, but I didn't think that I would be able to contribute to state level conversations. So it's really exciting.